How to enable the latest Java version on Windows 10 and enable. So you can do it from control panel. You can go to the control panel, Windows search, you can simply type in control panel, and after that open control panel, and herein you need to, you can see at the top, you can see search bar is showing, you need to herein type Java, and Java will open up. You double tap on this and Java will open up for you here, and herein you need to in this window will pop up. Herein you need to click on Java option from here. Now you need to click on this view option from here, and herein this enable is showing for users and system. I have just enabled it, so you just need to click enable it and click on OK. So make sure that is enabled, is checked. Okay, this is the checked one, and you can check it and click on press on OK. So just check it and press on OK, and again click on apply and then click on OK. So it is very easy to enable Java version in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope you will be able to do it. In case you find this video useful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.